My name is Brett. I'm here in the Aeromotive Tech Department. I wanted to take a minute today to talk to you about our stealth fuel tanks, our new Gen 2 stealth tanks in particular, and about this tank, which is the tank for the 1964 to 1968 Mustang. These are available in two versions, with a 340 stealth pump and with a 200 liter per hour pump. The 200 liter per hour pump is a part number 18197, and the 340 is a part number 18497. Why we have two pumps available in the Gen 2 stealth tanks is to give you the option of lower horsepower range, normal daily driver type engine making anywhere from 200 up to 600 horsepower. The 200 liter per hour pump is fine. If you're going to go into forced induction, or if you're going to make higher horsepower up in the 700-800 range, 700 forced induction, 850 naturally aspirated, then you'd want our 340 pump. This is an ideal tank for a 64 to 68 Mustang, where you're doing a late model Coyote swap. Naturally aspirated combination could use the Phantom 200. Something you're going to have a supercharger on could use the Phantom 340. The beautiful thing about our stealth tanks is that they are fully assembled. They ship from Aeromotive with the fuel pump installed, with the fuel level sending unit installed, and they're ready to drop in the car and go. We provide our foam and bladder baffle as we are used in our Phantom fuel pump kits, which has proven to be very effective, and we use that in conjunction with the factory outlet location, which in the Gen 2 tanks is superior to the earlier Gen 1, because instead of having the fuel lines in the car, you actually have them exiting the front of the tank like they normally would in a stock tank. And in this area, there are several things going on. There's an outlet and a return port. There's a power and a ground for the fuel pump, and there's a fuel level sending unit terminal located there as well. These tanks are an easy install. The pumps are incredibly quiet, and they're very powerful and very capable. With the bladder baffle system designed in, you don't have to worry about fuel starvation when the fuel tank is lower and you're driving the car like a normal vehicle. So, any other questions? Give us a call on the tech line and let us know.